Hello, did you get some water? You are not gonna believe what we have for you. You understand? Oh, are you excited? Let me see. Okay, let me see what we have. Hold on. Good morning, Fire and Irie friends and family. Is that better, dear? She got the thumb of approval. At least it was the thumb and not another finger. We're doing better this time. Speaking of guerrilla warfare tactics, yeah, this morning was kind of an amusing one because everybody wanted a grilled cheese and banana. Try it. Not together, separate. But there was only 4 pieces of bread, so Dave, some might call the chosen one, who actually went outside this morning and fed and took care of the chickens and collected their eggs and opened the door and even changed their water without having to be asked. Without having to be asked. It's not a competition, Craig. Yeah, so Dave got the good pieces of bread, and then there were the butts.
Yeah, but you could have shared, you could have cut the butt.
Cut the butt. I'm pretty sure the butts are cut already.
No, you could have listen, you could have one piece.
Oh boy. Hold on. Do what? Do what?
How far are the tonight, huh?
Oh, she's already moved topics. Anyway.
You could have given one piece, 2 pieces of butt. You could have given the other one, the other piece. You say about, so you just say about 2.
Alright, well.
Yes, bread.
So this is like.
You could have given 1 piece and give 1 piece, and then you have 2.
But.
Two normal. Yes.
Wait for it.
Instead they choose and take. The most they choose side, you prefer the more than the other one.
I prefer the kids that take initiative. Initiative. You see that? That is initiative.
Everybody knows they're supposed to be equal. No matter if you chicken or them. Yes, they wake up and find something to do in the house. They might do walk around and be able to run like.
They may do something in the house.
What you do cry this
Ask for
morning?
me to feed the chicken one day too.
One day.
That's last week. This is today. Where
But I said
Where
like,
there? This.
what you gonna do? Me put try some like chicken and something.
When you carry pan your back? No, when you carry pan your back, you know go.
Can I make the final little joke, please and
Yeah,
thank you?
but
Well, why don't you just butt out of this conversation? Oh, that's too far. That's taking the butts too far. Wow. Anyway, what we were saying is Craig did a little sibling guerrilla warfare tactic because here's how it played out. Dave got the two good pieces because Dave took initiative. Initiative! We'll look up that word later. But then there was only the butts left. And it was between Craig and Junior who was going to get the last two pieces of bread. Craig played it cool and said, you know what, I don't want it. I'm too good for that. And then Junior, being the younger brother, wanted to follow Craig and says, no, I don't want it either. And then right after Junior said that, Craig said, okay, I guess I'll take it. So Dave enjoyed a grilled cheese, Craig enjoyed a grilled cheese, and Junior sucking down noodles. Get it, Junior. We're going to school. What? It wasn't that funny. Oh boy. Going to school. I even brought my coffee with me. Yeah, you guys, how you doing? So it's going to be a Wi-Fi free zone, an iPad free zone, because we're 10 minutes late to leave out. They'll have to get home, get all their homework done, make their beds, stop kissing their teeth when they don't like what I have to say. That'll be it. And then everything will be back to normal. Even Sonia. Sonia rocking the spliff in the ear. That's pretty impressive. Honey.
It's not a spliff in the ears, the glasses are squeezed my ears and you have to put the wrap it around them, man. You don't know what it is, but
Yes, me, I think she's just trying to blend in.
Like it has cut off my ear.
It's gonna cut off your ear?
Yeah, the one me try take off it, and if I hear crossing, but
okay, well, off to school we go. Yay.
no.
We need to talk about this.
No, we don't need to talk
Yes,
about
we
it.
do. Yes, we do.
No, we
I just
don't.
want to see what's in your cup. What's in your cup?
Coffee. You're not supposed to drink in either, so no.
It's just coffee and creamer. Let's, honey, you can do it. Just on 3. 1.
Coffee and creamer, see? Coffee and creamer.
Wow.
Coffee and look
Honey,
how pretty
that's,
it is. Coffee
oh
and
yeah.
creamer, look.
Black and white together again as one.
Okay. Are you making a racial joke?
No.
You sure about that?
No. Honey,
Yeah.
I'm just impressed by how much stuff you put in that.
Leave it alone, Ty. Just walk away slowly. Leave it
I'm
alone.
gonna go.
You ever see these people when they make, don't when you go
I'm
coffee shop
walking
and go
away.
make coffee.
I
No.
can't hear you.
Well,
What?
when
You
go
told me to
coffee shop and
leave.
go make coffee, then you buy
Bye.
Don't they say they'll be pre-mine,
Yeah.
They do sell it.
They
Coffee
put the
shop.
coffee with the creamer, not the creamer with the coffee.
My one is the other way around.
Can I get some creamer with a touch of coffee?
No, on my own, I'm making in the kitchen. Why I not make you talk about me? How
I'm-
much sugar in that?
That's not a lot of sugar. That's the kid's Nutri. Yeah, don't tell the children, but
You want some of this?
no, I don't want some of that.
You don't want none of
I
this?
took some of their
really?
Nutri today. Not for sale. It's got 6 grams of sugar in it, dear. It's fantastic. And semolina, which is supposed to be amazing for your pores or something. Honey, you got... Oh yeah, I'm surprised the kids left you some of that.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Nice stew peas and rice.
Stew, peas, and rice. And yes, is that a chicken foot or is that a spinner? Who knows?
Spinners. Just a donkey.
All right, we're gonna go. I'm not gonna lie, man. This this reminds me of like cream of wheat. Cream of wheat? Do you ever have cream of wheat?
Yeah, but it tastes different.
Well, I don't know if I gotta look at the nutrition facts again. I think they put like sucralose or some other fake sugar in here because it's for having only like 6 grams of sugar supposedly. It's pretty sweet, but fantastic. But that's not what we're talking about this morning, dear. Coffee's kicking in. Hold on. You ready? I'm upset.
What?
I know, right? The list is so long. No. But we're supposed to go have an enjoy.
Sorry. I wasn't supposed to do that.
You're throwing food out there. Anyway. Take 2. We're supposed to have an enjoyable Saturday weekend this weekend. Going to Ocho Rios. Gonna bring the boys and Andre to Mystic Mountain and also Margaritaville. And originally the idea was, thanks to the YouTube family and friends, that we were using the YouTube funds to enjoy this experience. Now, here's what's getting frustrating, right? If you're bringing 4 kids and 2 adults to Ocho Rios, you can't. I'm doing your hand gestures. I'm sorry. You can't find a hotel under $200 unless you're lucky. Honey? Want to weigh in on this one?
Tell me out sometime.
I know, right? Like, I'm trying, like, one night, right? Just one night, need a place to crash, 4 kids, 2 adults who want to go party at Mystic Mountain in Margaritaville. And the cheapest we found is $170. $170. And it's tough because on Airbnb, you'll find ones that look cheaper, like, oh, cool, $135, maybe even a little less. And then they tack on like a $75 or $50 cleaning fee on top of the Airbnb fee on top of that. And it comes out to like almost $200 for one night. For one night. I was like, how do we get them to understand, like, we shouldn't need to pay a cleaning fee. We'll clean up the place before we go. We have a professional housekeeper in our population. Retired professional housekeeper.
No bother with that.
What?
If me go hotel go stay, me not clean up.
Go back to any of our hotel stays. You will see she practically makes the bed, sweeps, mops, dusts. It's in her blood. You can't help it. But that's not the point. The point is, like, why is there no place in Ochi for people with a few kids to be able to stay for one night somewhere around the town at a reasonable price? And maybe I'm just too far removed for what a reasonable price is, because I think it's quite excessive for $200 for like 8-10 hours of actually residing in that place.
But where can you find YouTube again? Airbnb.
He's not an Ochi though.
Yeah.
Not like within walking distance or a short taxi ride. That's why we need a vehicle, dear, because then we could go to the actual other so I'm talking like downtown Ochi, and I get that, okay? But when we get a vehicle, we could actually be within Ochi, outside of Ochi, around Ochi. There's some really nice ones, like condos and stuff that like have a pool and stuff. We're gonna get there eventually, but yeah. So we're not gonna stay at a hotel.
That's why I'm talking to Stevens. They have a nice Airbnb.
That's lovely.
But you say it's not.
But it's not in Ochi. No, it's off in the neighborhood.
It's in Ochi though.
Honey.
You look it up.
Anyway,
What do you know? You look.
you ever heard of the word tangent? You know what tangent means?
No, what tangent mean?
Tangent mean not like the thing that you put on the house, whatever you call that.
What?
You call that tangent. What do you call
Yeah.
that? No, a tangent. Google, 1 second. So, tangent, to suddenly and unexpectedly go off on a completely different topic.
Morning.
Morning.
On a new subject.
Tangent.
You're a tangent.
You're a tangent.
You are a tangent. Let me have my soupies in peace, please. I'm a coffee.
You can have your stew, peas, and coffee in peace. In peas and peace. There you go. So yeah, that's my little rant for this morning. Like, why? Why can't we find a place less than $170 in Ochi for one night? So we're gonna go there in the early morning and come back in the late evening and save 26,000 Jamaican dollars. Which, of course, now the kids have to figure out what we're gonna apply it towards, and they're on the fences about that. We could split things evenly. Everybody gets a little over 4,000. We could get a bicycle.
Oh.
Yep. Yep, just keeping the carrots hydrated. We got some bloomers. I don't know, never grown carrots before, but they are not. You know, like some animals that, like giraffes. I don't know how or why it was on the video. It's not my fault, but like, yeah, baby giraffe came out of the giraffe. Within just a few moments, is already up and walking and living its best life. Carrots are not giraffes, man. They're more like human beings that require not only a 9-month incubation period, but also once they come into the real world, they require some tender, loving care. Maybe that's why they're called carrots. These are things you think about while you're watering carrots. Remember the other day with Miss Independent was all like, yeah, my rosemary, my mint, this and that. Well, just for the record, I was like, hey, I'm gonna go water the carrots and the peppers and such. And she's like, hey, while you're back there, darling. She didn't say darling, I'm just adding that in there because it makes me feel better. She meant it. She's like, yeah, could you manage to water my mint and my rosemary? Sure, dear. I can. Oh, a pine update. Yeah. Going strong. Not the biggest pine in the world, but it's a start. Just watering my wife's plants. Yep. Okay, so I literally just turned around and went face to face with my June plums. How you doing? Look at you. Growing nicely. And we got some older ones over here. I'd say are pretty close to being ready to go. Sonia will be thrilled after I water her plants. This is her new baby, little minty fresh over here, supposedly. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Shouldn't you guys be on your way to Highgate already? 9:30. Getting kind of warm. Waiting for you know who. But while we're doing that, I figured let's give you the pepper update on hope and goodness and amen and hallelujah. I think they're liking this place right here. As you guys saw earlier, this is like the perfect spot for them. Indirect sunlight, so they're not burning up, but they're also, I think this is as close as they get besides the early morning sun, which they get a good amount. And then thankfully we got this overhang here that protects them during the day. And then the evening sun comes right through there, gives them a little extra something before the sun goes down. All in all though, I'd say they're pretty happy with their new home. Now let's go to Highgate. You got the key, right?
Yeah.
That's a good thing I do. Look at this double satchel here. European shoulder bag. Bags of bags. What does my wife carry? You haven't changed a bit, dear. How much is it? Ooh. Was that on heads or tails?
Head.
Uh-oh.
Head is good. If it's on tail, no good.
Tails never fails, dear.
What?
Tails never fails.
Who says so?
Everybody. Anyway, we are destined today to try and find some Coke Zero because we've been really good. We haven't had it in like a week. We've been drinking a bunch more water, which I feel fantastic along with my exercise. That's still happening, I promise.
Push our tail. Push our head.
You don't even know your Jamaican coins, which ones are heads and tails. US, it's easier. There's literally a heads on heads. That's probably why they call it heads.
This a tail.
Yo, guess what I figured out?
This a tail and this a head. Head and tail. So head, tail.
Nice.
Yeah.
You know why they call them carrots?
Why they calling carrots?
Because you have to care for them.
No,
I'm not even kidding.
just
That was all
making this
natural.
together.
I came up with that all by
I
myself.
just on this all laugh. That's why you laugh.
I was laughing
Because
with
you're looking
myself.
up.
No, I didn't look it up
So you
actually.
just say something.
I did because I was like comparing carrots to human beings and how like baby humans have to require so much care and like giraffes don't. And then I was like, wait, that's why they must call them carrots. Highgate. Okay, so special thank you again to the donor who allowed us to get some dog food for our neighbor's puppy. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure it's going to be used to it, but who knows? Now when it comes over, I won't have to share my kidney and rice and peas.
Okay.
It was a success. It's actually 1 hour later. That's probably almost a record. It's 10:30. We got everything we needed, nothing more, nothing less. Not a bad day.
Nope.
Yep. It's time. Mame zapote. I'm gonna cut her open and eat it. Here we go. Alright, there it is. Little underripe, not gonna lie. But Mame zapote. Man, it's a peach, but it's flowery, sweet, but it's really fantastic. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Try it sometime if you get a chance. Would you like some retirement lunch?
No. Popcorn? What the heck is that?
That's art. It's your favorite, egg and cheese.
Where tongues go.
Your favorite, white cheddar popcorn with egg and cheese sandwich. It's a retirement lunch right there. Top it off with some ice cold soda and a puppy. Hello, did you get some water? You are not gonna believe what we have for you. You understand? Oh, are you excited? Let me see. Okay, let me see what we have. Hold on. Moment of truth. Guess what? You should not be on that mat. Sonia's not gonna like that. But don't tell nobody. All right, let's get you some water first. Hold on. I know. Puppy, I only have 2 hands. So I appreciate your patience. Come on. I know, you're excited. Look, water for you. Water. Excited. Okay. Alright, I'll get you some water. Come here. Come here. Come on. Okay. Have some water. Alright, time for some food. Some assembly required. Try this out. Get 1 cup. Literally. It's probably too much. We're gonna measure this in the future, but just to try it out. You wanna try it? Come on. Here. Try it. Okay. I'm not sure if you like it or not. Are you sure? Yeah? Do you want to send a thank you to the subscriber who donated some money for the dog food? Yeah? Try to get this on a time lapse because you might be here a while? Okay, hold on. Think he likes it. What do you think? Is it good? You probably should no, it's gone, dude. That's it for now. Okay, you just should lie down and think about what you did. Right, now that the puppy is well satiated and we're snacking on some white cheddar popcorn and egg and cheese sandwich, question. Originally, we had designated around 5 million Jamaican dollars, or a little over $30,000 for a vehicle of sorts. Knowing that the better the vehicle we get, the less problems it'll likely have. And I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm thinking maybe we don't need to spend $5 million on a fancy vehicle. You know, I've had a couple fancy vehicles in my life many years ago. I drove a brand new car off the lot with like 17 miles on it. Granted, it was a Toyota Yaris, but it was still technically a new car, even though it was like the size of half a car. And I'm thinking that what if we spend like 3 million or 3.5 million, you know, around 20,000 US. Forgive me, I'm eating while I'm talking, but. And then take that other money and get some more things for the house, because there are some things available. There's a company out there advertising solar panels for around $1 million, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, depending upon what your actual package ends up getting. Solar panel possibilities. And I definitely think, especially given this week's heat wave that we're getting, look, perspiration, yeah, at its finest. Maybe we should definitely think about getting ceiling fans for the rooms. We don't really go with the AC, at least not right now, just because we haven't had it for so long, and you know, even when we get to enjoy it in the nice hotels sometimes when we go, it's, I don't know, it probably causes more problem than not when obviously we're not used to or accustomed to that artificial cool air, and then you go into it and it's not really necessary, I don't think. But if we got ceiling fans in every room, I think it would be, even on the veranda, we could use a ceiling fan just to help circulate that humid air and keep things a little bit more tolerable. I don't know. Asking friends and family your thoughts and suggestions. How much should we invest into a vehicle? You know, I've done some research, and some people, you know, YouTube figures, or even, you know, non-Jamaican figures, I guess you could say. They said, you know, if you could spend around 2 million, 2.5, even 3 million, still get a decent vehicle. I've done some research, and you're looking at a vehicle that's about 8 years old, maybe a little more, maybe 10. Mileage just depends upon what you get, and I'm thinking maybe we don't need a 4-year-old vehicle. Could we do okay with a 10-year-old vehicle? Draw less attention to ourselves. On the flip side of that, you're probably going to have more wear and tear and issues, obviously, that need to be repaired. It's always the balance of, you know, depending upon what quality of vehicle that you get. So, curious what your thoughts are. How much should we spend on a vehicle that's going to be reliable enough to where we're not going to have to, you know, continue to put money into it? And what should we do with any additional funds from the $5 million that we don't spend on a vehicle, such as maybe solar panels, maybe ceiling fans in every room. Yeah, curious what your thoughts. What happens when your wife tells you, hey, take a photo of me without my glasses. Not my whole body, just my face.
That's what I said.
That's what she said.
Oh. I want one with the glasses.
This is what you get.
One with the glasses on.
You're welcome. Okay, you ready?
Dang.
You asked for it. You ready? Here they go. There I was asking my wife, hey, I'm thinking I should get some exercise in today, but it's really hot. Yeah, authentic perspiration. Feels like 102, so according to Google with the humidity, even though it's 90 something. But she gave me an ultimatum. Honey, what's an ultimatum?
Meaning either you go exercise or I'm going to sit on TV.
Yeah, she threatened me. She's like, well, if you don't go in that room and exercise, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take this. Oh yeah, they saw it.
No.
And I'm going to sit down and enjoy some good quality TV. And you know what I said to that?
I don't know. I'm walking away. Go put
No, it's hot. I'll exercise later.
Thanks. I mean,
Enjoy
can
your
go watch
TV.
one TV show till dinner.
One till it's 2:30. One till dinner time. Are you watching like Lord of the Rings or something?
No. Anything that's interesting.
Great. Enjoy your TV.
That's fine. I can go now. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I know I go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch your step.
Okay. Bye.
This is my life. Yeah, it is not cold. Ceiling fans for every room, which could be a problem. Well, not a problem, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's only 8, 9, 10. She's gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I don't need a fan in the kitchen.
You don't want a fan in the kitchen? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You use the veranda?
Oh yeah, 8.
No.
One more time.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ceiling fans one day. Right? Yeah. Hello! What's up?
Nothing.
Where are you going?
Right over there.
Let's go.
Okay.
How was your day today?
Time.
Homework time already?
The last 2 pages.
Yay!
Yeah. Get over here. Story.
Hi, what do we got today?
But I
Anyway, guys, Andre, guys, I believe you guys have met. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to the people? The people,
Hi.
Andre, the people over here.
Huh?
The people are over here.
Hi.
Oh, that's close enough.
I have the 2 pages.
Uh-huh. Yeah, look at all the pages we've been doing, man. That's a lot of X's. We got to do 32, 34, and a new one, 110.
Yeah.
Good.
You want
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Page 32.
Look who's here to me today.
Ooh, what'd you do today?
Did you,
More telling time.
that here GRL me done them here this me do today.
Okay.
That here GRL me.
Cool. Ooh, you're looking at the half hours.
No, teacher help me out. How me do it?
Yeah.
Cause me a looking at people look.
Oh, you're copying people?
Yeah, looking at people look. That's why me done this. And then
Yeah,
me
I don't know what it's
never
like having some people copying around here, huh?
I never understand this. And me get one idea and me see line them go on each other.
Uh-huh.
And me write what time. A short one. A showy hour.
Uh-huh.
And a big one showy minute.
That's right. You ready to start?
Yeah?
Let's do it.
Huh?
Let's do it. Page 32. Okay, hold on. Coffee's gone and done and on. Are you done?
Yeah?
All right. What time is this?
10:30.
Good. What time is this?
12. 6:30.
6:30. Next one.
3:30.
3:30. Next one.
6.
You sure?
No. 5:30.
Next one.
11:30.
Last one.
34. No.
What? What time?
4:30.
4:30. All right, close it. Close the book. It's done. Close it. Done. Cool. Bring it home. Get out of here.
Banana.
Yikes. And just when the homework gets done, the power goes out.
What problem?
Andre, you dropped the bananas.
Yeah,
Oh, man. Here, just bring them on the table. Yeah, you see that? The fan isn't moving. It's going to be a warm night. Hopefully the power comes back.
What's this?
All right. Put them on the table, sir. Put them on the table, please. Choose one wisely. Choose one. Choose one.
Little, big.
Okay. It's all yours. All right. Okay, what to do when the power goes out? You feed the chickens some snacks, right, Andre?
What's that?
Andre,
Go. Nasty.
here we go. All right, now Andre, we got to be careful, because you see these little ones right here?
Yeah.
This one, and that one, and that one, and the one puppy. Why are you? You're not supposed to be in there, puppy. These are little baby carrots, so we can't step on those. Puppy, come here. Puppy, don't step on my carrots. Thank you. Yes, stay out of my carrots. Hey, stay out of my carrots. So we're gonna get some cabbage leaves. Hey, puppy. This isn't working very well. No, you're. Come here, puppy. Hey, boy. Bye, puppy. We're leaving. Yep, we're leaving. That's it. Yep, we're leaving. That's right. I know. We're leaving. Sometimes I wonder which ones are worse, the dogs or the kids. I'll try this again. Yes. Okay, so we gotta get some cabbage leaves. Hey, stay. 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 Sit. Stay there. Stay. Andre, no. Put it down.
Yeah.
Cool. So I'm gonna reach and grab some cauliflower leaves in my little experiment here. They say it never will have another. Andre, don't step in there. Don't step in there. Thank you. Puppy. You're not listening. Come on, puppy. Again. Puppy. Stay. Sit. We're gonna work on that. Stay. Sit. Sit. Good. Stay. Stay.
Stay with you.
Yeah, you stay with the puppy. I'll get the cauliflower leaves. Make sure he stays. Okay. Puppy, you're not staying. Andre, we're gonna go feed the chickens. Puppy, we gotta work on that. Oi. Good afternoon, chickens. Puppy, chickens are friends, not food, you hear? Okay? Chickens are friends, not food.
Where?
Puppy, Andre is a friend, not food. Okay, here.
You feed him.
You, Andre, these are for the chickens. Andre, don't worry about the dog. These are for the chickens.
Yes. You feed that down.
All right, feed the chickens, Andre. Puppy, you stay away from my chickens. We're training. See? We can all get along. Puppy, you can go chase the wild chickens. I don't know where you're going. Get him, Andre. Get him. That was interesting. All right. Chickens are fed?
Yeah.
Cool.
How many RS are in? Where they? One
I don't
thing.
understand.
Where they now? Around the world, the rugged rascal runs. How many RS are in that? 0.
Oh boy. Try it again.
How many RS are in that?
Well,
Listen.
Oh boy.
0. Listen up. Him right. Cause they say around the world the rugged rascal runs. How many RS are in that? None, yes. Can RS
How
in
me
there?
get done? Pull it
Oh
out.
boy.
Let me-
Peace and quiet's over. Dave, what happened to the shoes, man? Huh? Want to show us your new style? What do we call this? The staple method? What happened? What happened to your shoe?
Me a run and some snake.
Did something slip out? What do you mean slip out?
Like me a run fast. Like
You ran out of your shoes.
Like a year so did a slip already.
Uh-huh.
And then me run and then me go.
And you dragged it against the ground?
No. It's some go good on and fall up back way.
Cool, well, we better get some shoe glue, dude, because that's going to look awfully funny. It's beautiful. Here we go. Right, it's not perfect, but some shoe glue, super glue later. I'd say she's patched. I give it a day before he manages to tear it out again. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you want a new pair of shoes. Kids. Okay, so I know it's been a long day and the kids are still working on their homework, but I could be mistaken, but I think this is like a stick bug. I'm calling it a stick bug. I don't know. Junior's being really loud right now. You're scaring the bugs, Junior. Yeah, I know. Junior, chill. Chill. Yeah, so here is the bug. I thought it was a 40 leg at first, but it looks like a bug that looks like a stick, so I'm calling it a stick bug. Stick bug? You don't fly, do you? No, you just climb on the broom and we're all gonna be okay. Please. Oh, he's up. Oh, you were on. No, you're supposed to. Why? Oh, Junior. Into the bush, sir. Your new home. Go. Go. Yay! Exactly, Junior. You can't see him anymore. Oh, good deed is done for the day. Time for dinner. Come on, Junior. Sweet.
What, N-O-T?
No, F-I-T.
What do you think say another?
Fight.
F-I-T? If something big in other one. If something too big in other one. Why if me carry one pants from here and it too big for in other one? No? That's not it.
Ow, you got me. All right, you got 10 seconds to run home.
Good night.
All right, 10 seconds, run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good night. Bye-bye. The countdown always works. Like 3, 2, 1.